Good morning, lovely people. It's been ages since we've done a vlog. Apologies, life has just been getting away with us. Most of us are in lockdown again and it's quite interesting. Our plans have changed. The last update we had was Pepe going off to the garage, which is kind of put a spanner in the works for our travel plans, COVID aside. We're going ahead as if everything's going to normalize, and we're crossing our fingers and everything. So the plan is that this will be our home. This will be our tiny home. We want to live in this, but we also want to travel. And the original plan was to be traveling with a bus and the Land Rover, but sensible. It has to rule. I mean, it does mean double the fuel. It does mean double toll fees if we're going on toll roads. It does make getting around a little bit more tricky, so we've relented. Well, I've kind of given up on that dream for now, and we're going to be taking the Land Rover on little travels with us, and we're busy doing a trailer, which is super exciting, completely custom building. My amazing husband is busy building it for us, so we've been dreaming it and planning, and he's making it all real, which is just absolutely fantastic.
So while we're standing here watching paint dry, you could sit here and play this on a loop for the next 3 hours if you like.
So we've decided to use our Landy, yay, as our bedroom for the next couple of years. This is going to be our new living space. It is a big white box.
So I thought fire engine red, man.
This is the paint that we were going to use on Pepe on the outside. Don't you adore this colour? I just love this colour.
And a quick shout out to my mate Sanka.
So we are making changes again. Being adaptable is essential, right? We all know this. We're going to customize our own trailer, which we thought would be quite cool. So Marcel bought this little beauty yesterday, and now we've got all of the camping gear what we need, and we're trying to figure out how to build the little box.
So we're trying to figure out how to do it the best way, use the amount of space the best way possible, and keep it as compact as you can, because you can get a huge trailer or a huge caravan, camper van the size of buses.
The carpenter's notes.
Zero margin. It's raining today, so I've put up a makeshift tarpaulin so we can work a little bit dry.
Oh, wow, look at this. You're just like think about it. You look like Neptune. You're trident.
So now I'm a double Maasai warrior. Inner tubes for bicycles. We'll break away to our sponsor, IKEA.
I am quite sad that we're not going to be traveling with it right now, but yeah. Exciting, different. Life happens, and plans change, and we move on and we do different things, and looking forward to living in this baby. We are camping. And I've got an oven reel. We spent our first night with our trailer setup, which is super exciting. I'm very happy. This is glamping of note. Dude, breakfast is up.